Nothing Phone 2 review. Welcome to our deep dive into the Nothing Phone 2, a device that's been creating waves in the tech world. If you're curious about what makes it stand out and whether it's worth your attention and wallet, you've come to the right place. We're stripping down the hype to look at what this phone really offers, breaking it down into easy-to-understand chunks. Design and build quality. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Nothing Phone 2. This phone isn't just aimed to sit in your palm. It aims to make a statement while doing so. The design philosophy here is about blending futuristic aesthetics with practical ergonomics. Imagine holding a piece of tomorrow in your hand, with its sleek lines and an innovative transparent back that lets you peek into the phone's inner workings. It's not just a phone, it's a conversation starter. The build quality matches the high bars set by its design. Constructed from premium materials like Gorilla Glass and aerospace-grade aluminum, the Nothing Phone 2 feels as sturdy as it looks elegant. Every button click and surface touch reinforces the idea that this device is built to last. Moreover, its resistance to water and dust adds a layer of practicality to its avant-garde design, ensuring that the phone's beauty is more than skin-deep. Display technology. Moving on to the display technology, the Nothing Phone 2 packs a punch with its vibrant and crisp screen. What sets it apart is not just the resolution or the size, but the technology behind the screen that ensures true-to-life colors and deep contrasts. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series, scrolling through photos, or simply reading text, the display makes every visual a pleasure to behold. The responsiveness of the touchscreen is another highlight. It's not just about how smoothly you can swipe and tap, but also about the intuitive interactions that feel as natural as they are technologically advanced. The display's adaptive refresh rate further enhances the user experience, ensuring that whether you're gaming with intense graphics or just casually browsing, the screen's performance is optimized for battery life and smoothness. Performance and software integration. Performance-wise, the Nothing Phone 2 is a beast. At its heart lies a chipset that's all about blazing fast speeds and efficient multitasking. Whether you're a power user who loves to push their device to the limits or someone who uses their phone for everyday tasks, the 2A ensures that lag is a thing of the past. This raw power is complemented by ample RAM and storage options, meaning you're never left wanting when it comes to space or speed. The software experience is where the Nothing Phone 2 truly shines. It runs on a custom version of Android that's been refined to remove bloat and enhance usability. This means faster updates, more security, and a user interface that's both beautiful and intuitive. The integration between hardware and software feels seamless, with features and gestures that make the most of the phone's unique design elements. It's a device that doesn't just run apps, it offers an experience tailored to the user's needs. Camera system. In the photography department, the Nothing Phone 2 doesn't just aim to compete, it aims to innovate. The camera system, comprising multiple lenses, offers versatility whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or capturing the minutest details. The main sensor captures stunning detail and dynamic range, ensuring your photos look great regardless of the lighting conditions. But it's not just about hardware. The software plays a significant role in enhancing each shot, with computational photography techniques that bring out the best in your images. Features like night mode, portrait lighting, and an intuitive pro mode give you control over your photography like never before. It's a camera system that encourages creativity and experimentation, turning every user into a potential photography enthusiast. Battery life and charging. Lastly, let's talk about battery life and charging. The Nothing Phone 2 is designed to keep you going all day and then some. Its large battery ensures that even the most demanding users won't be left searching for a charger midday. But when you do need to power up, the phone's fast charging capabilities mean you won't be tethered to a wall socket for long. Wireless charging and power sharing features add layers of convenience to the device, making it not just a phone but a power hub for your other gadgets. Connectivity and networking. In the realm of connectivity, the Nothing Phone 2 stands out for its forward-thinking approach to keeping you connected with the world. It supports the latest Wi-Fi standards, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds whether you're at home, in the office, or at your favorite cafe. Furthermore, with 5G connectivity, the phone allows you to download and upload content at speeds that make buffering a thing of the past. The phone also excels in its Bluetooth connectivity, offering a stable and quick connection to a wide range of devices, from headphones and speakers to smart home devices. This seamless integration across devices enhances the user experience, making the Nothing Phone 2 not just a phone, but a central hub for your digital lifestyle. User interface and user experience, UI/UX. The Nothing Phone 2 is user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, are where the device truly differentiates itself. The UI is clean, minimalistic, and devoid of unnecessary clutter, making navigation a breeze for even the most novice users. This simplicity, however, does not come at the expense of functionality. Personalization is another aspect where the Nothing Phone 2 excels. It allows users to tailor their experience to match their preferences, from custom themes and icons to control over notifications and screen layouts. This level of personalization ensures that each user's phone feels uniquely theirs, further enhancing the overall experience of using the device. Environmental sustainability. In an era where environmental consciousness is more important than ever, the Nothing Phone 2 sets a precedent for sustainability in the tech industry. From its eco-friendly packaging, made from recycled materials, and designed to be fully recyclable, to the device's construction, which prioritizes sustainable and non-toxic materials, the phone showcases a commitment to reducing its environmental footprint. Moreover, the company behind the Nothing Phone 2 is transparent about its carbon footprint and actively works on initiatives to offset emissions generated through the device's production and distribution. By investing in renewable energy projects and promoting recycling programs for old devices, the brand not only talks the talk, but also walks the walk in environmental stewardship. After-sales support and warranty. The Nothing Phone 2 experience doesn't end at purchase. The brand understands the importance of after-sales support and offers an extensive warranty that covers a wide range of potential issues, from manufacturing defects to software glitches. This reassurance that any problems will be swiftly addressed is a significant plus for consumers. The customer service aspect is equally commendable. With multiple channels for support, including online chat, email, and phone lines, help is always just a few clicks or a call away. The company also maintains a comprehensive online database of FAQs and troubleshooting guides, empowering users to find quick solutions to common issues. In wrapping up this detailed exploration of the Nothing Phone 2, it's clear that this device is not just another entry in the smartphone market. It's a statement, a blend of design, performance, and innovation that challenges the status quo. Whether you're drawn to its futuristic aesthetics, impressed by its robust performance, or intrigued by its unique approach to software and photography, the Nothing Phone 2 offers something for everyone. It's a device that doesn't just want to be in your pocket, it wants to be a part of your daily adventure, pushing the boundaries of what you expect from a smartphone. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.